All right, the next topic we'll talk about are coverage ratios. Coverage ratios are very similar to liquidity ratios, except with coverage ratios, we're specifically talking about paying. How can we cover something like an interest expense? Generally, the higher the better, but if it's too high, then that might mean that we're not using debt to its best capacity to maximize shareholder wealth. So, first one here is going to be times interest earned ratio. It's also called TIE. This one's going to be equal to, so now we're going to go to the income statement. The earnings for interest and taxes divided by the interest expense. So you can see it's almost 2, and it's definitely down from the previous year. So let's go ahead and copy that formatting. That's a times ratio. Definitely down from the previous year. The next coverage ratio is something called cash coverage ratio. This one is equal to, so going back to the balance sheet. This one, sorry, income statement. This one is equal to earnings for interest and taxes plus any non-cash expenses, which would be, did not change that from a Tesla video. That's supposed to be depreciation. I'll go back and fix that just a second. Let's go ahead and back up for a second, put parentheses around this, because the sum of these things are going to be divided by the interest expense once again. So this is getting at any cash that actually was around. That's when we added back that depreciation expense. So let me go back to the income statement. This is depreciation expense. And these are your coverage ratios.